A woman in a green peacoat walks across the University of Birmingham's red brick campus. Text: Becky Drew, Senior Engineer, Curtins. Becky's signature appears below.
My name is Becky and I studied civil engineering here at the University of Birmingham. I'm currently a senior engineer at Curtins, working in their structural department. Curtins is a national engineering consultancy and I work in our Birmingham office.
A construction site has a large concrete and steel structure in early stages of erection. A clear ruler takes a position on a blueprint and a pencil draws a line along it.
So I first started with them as a work experience student way back when I was 16, 17, and it was what made me want to do engineering in the first place. And I kept working for them throughout my summers, and it was off the back of my summer placement at the end of my third year that I got my graduate job.
A tall concrete and brick building stands in a state of partial completion. Large cranes swing above a modern high-rise.
I knew that I wanted to become a structural engineer, but I wanted a good grounding in civil engineering first and to double check that that's what I wanted to specialise in, and UOB definitely delivered on that.
We fly above the red brick campus of the University of Birmingham, then flash through scenes of its grassy quads.
The course was really well structured, the lecturers were absolutely lovely, and also it had a good mix of the practical side of things with the laboratories. And it really helped that while I was here, there were loads of construction sites on campus, so we got to go and visit them and actually see buildings take shape.
Dirt fills a future building foundation. The first few floors of a building rise from a site.
My degree course at Birmingham really gave me a foundation of technical understanding for engineering. It also helped me work as part of a team, and it also just opened my eyes to what engineering could be and gave me so many skills as well, the softer skills like communication and report writing as well. Civil engineering is a very broad subject and you can go down so many career paths with it. It's a really versatile subject. So as well as going into engineering, the skills that you get from the degree are really useful in business and finance as well. People from my cohort have gone into structures like me, have become drainage engineers, work for the railway, work in highways, in transport, in project management.
We fly above railways, highway flyovers, and a major construction site.
I went down the structures route and I absolutely love it. It's also really satisfying to actually see what you design come to life in the real world and you make a real change to people's lives. At the moment I'm designing homes, I'm designing schools, I'm designing hospitals, I'm designing buildings that help people. And it's so satisfying to actually see them being used and come to life as well.
People walk about a busy campus quad.
The advice I would give to current students is to just take every opportunity that comes at you at university. This is going to be one of the only times in your life where you're going to have access to so many societies and groups and just opportunities to grow as a person. I would definitely recommend studying civil engineering at the University of Birmingham. The facilities here are now absolutely amazing. They've got the new engineering building that was opened a couple of years ago, and it's absolutely phenomenal.
We gaze upwards at multiple levels of balconies in a modern wood plank atrium.
It's a working example of engineering at its finest as the structure's exposed, so students can actually see how a building works in real life as they study.
3 perpendicular lines rotate and resolve themselves into the 3 fields of the arms in the logo, University of Birmingham. Text: We explore, we activate. Birmingham.ac.uk. Copyright University of Birmingham 2025. Produced by Creative Media, 00645.